So the key to this is T has input X, which is minutes, and outputs a temperature. So T inverse inputs temperature and outputs minutes. What kind of minutes? Minutes after the oven is turned on. So T of 4 equals 175 means at 4 minutes after the oven is turned on, the temperature is 175 degrees Celsius. Okay, and then the inverse says at an oven temperature of 210 degrees Celsius, the oven took 4.5 minutes. Okay, inputs, let's see. There's a fast way and a slow way. Let's do the slow way. F inverse takes X as an output. So we can take 2x plus 3 and set it equal to the original x. If you want, you can say, okay, this is the new x, and 5 was the old x. F inverse is 1. We could also find the inverse function. So if we switch the variables, x and y, solve for the new y, okay, and then, for instance, F inverse of 5 is 5 minus 3 over 2, which is, by George, 1. Okay, and so forth. Either way, whichever one you find easier to deal with. So the next set, we are using the graph. F of 1 on a graph of F. We go over to 1. Then up to the curve, the line in this case. So F of 1 is at a height of 3. F inverse of 3 means look at a height of 3 for F. And go down to the x-axis. And by George, F inverse of 3 is back to 1. F inverse of 1, where is the height 1? And we say that's at 2. F of 5 is -5, and then we plug that into F inverse, takes us back up to the x-axis at 5. F inverse of 3 is 1, we already found out, and F of 1 is back to 3. So notice that F and F inverse always cancel each other out, and you're back to the original input.